Each week in the Insider Secrets Club for Online Tutors, I hold a question-answer call. And this week, Margarita Veras asked, what is a funnel and how does it apply to an online tutoring business? Now, a funnel is the path that your ideal client takes when they first meet you online to hiring you for your services. Now, social media is a great tool to be able to use to spread the word about your services, and you can get hired through them, but you cannot rely on them to be around forever. So you need to put into place a method that allows you to develop a relationship with your ideal client so that you can get found and hired on a consistent basis. Now, in this video, I am going to share about that funnel that I use to get clients and continue to teach other tutors to do every day. If you figured out who your ideal client is and know how to speak directly to them, you're halfway there to creating a successful funnel. If you've never thought about who your ideal client is, then watch mistake number 5 and my 29 mistakes online tutors make. I'll leave a link in the description below. The first step in creating a successful funnel is to create a website. And there are great tools out there like Wix that are drag and drop simple for creating a website. Make sure on your website that the first page has a welcome video and a freebie that you can offer your ideal client. What's a freebie? It is a free gift that you give to someone and exchange, they end up on your email list. When you create content, you can share it with them and continue to nurture the relationship with them. You may have heard of the freebie as a lead magnet because it attracts leads like a magnet. Now, some examples are a step-by-step guide in the form of a PDF. An answer to one of the things that your ideal client struggles with the most. A video series where you answer 10 most frequently asked questions your ideal clients ask you, and you answer 10 most frequently not asked questions that they should be asking you. Other ideas include an ebook, checklist, cheat sheet, list of helpful resources that you think might be really helpful to them, invite only to Facebook groups, creating a challenge that's going to set your ideal client up for success right out of the gate. Now, don't believe having a list is powerful? Well, 91% of the consumers in the US check their email every day. And a tutor in our group, Terry Grigsby, had a slow summer with her math tutoring, but she was not going to let her back-to-school results slow her down. She used her email list to reconnect and let people know that she had some spots open for fall tutoring. And after sending a message to her email list, she got 3 clients to hire her for the fall. And the best part is that this isn't spam because people ask to be on your list. They want to hear from you. Now, once someone signs up for your freebie, you can send it to them through an autoresponder system. What is an autoresponder system? It's kind of like having access to a secretary that can send an email 24 hours a day once someone mentions that they're interested in getting your freebie. The autoresponder sends a sequence of emails that you set up once and then never have to write again. It gets set on autopilot, collecting leads for you as long as you like. Now you can imagine someone emailing you in your inbox and asking if you're still taking students. Well, this happens all the time for people in the Insider Secrets Club who are following this method. So how do you set up your autoresponder? Well, I recently did a video with Ashley DiMercurio who uses the email system in Wix to set up emails. And I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in watching how that works as well. Now, the next step in the funnel is to invite this lead to a free assessment or consultation with you. And during this free assessment, you can find out exactly what areas the tutee is struggling with and determine if the two of you are going to be a good fit. During a consultation, you find out from the parent or tutee exactly what they need. Offer some advice on how to achieve the results that they would like to get and invite them to move forward with your tutoring services. Now, the next step is to set up a collection plan for payment. And you have a funnel that is guaranteed to keep bringing you new leads. Of course, it's still going to be your job to point people to your website. But once they get there, they can decide if they want to sign up for your freebie or just contact you and hire you right away. Isn't that awesome? Now, I know that when I mention being on video, some people are thinking, but I have no idea how to create an effective video. I have created a script, you guys, that's going to guide you in how to create your website quickly and start collecting leads. And I promise you, it will definitely get people interested. You can get a copy sent to you from my autoresponder that I've set up, and you can see how this whole system works. The free gift is called How to Talk Like a Rock Star on Your Video. Just click the link in the description, sign up for it, and within moments, you will get an email from me with a PDF. Once you create your video, share a link to your video below. I would love to look at what you created. Let me know if you'd like feedback on it. Have you already created a video for your website? What advice can you give to people who haven't created theirs yet? Comment below. Now, if you like this video, as always, click like, subscribe, and that little bell so that you can be notified about the next video. Do you have a question that you would like featured in a video? Ask your questions below, and who knows, you may just be chosen for the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. My name is Joanne Kaminsky, the online tutor business coach, and here's till next time.